within the Catholic tradition, there are statements from the bishop, but then there's also the lived lives of lay people, and there's also the area of study and scholarship and theology. The Catholic bishops have stated that Catholic universities must be independent, and that this is important for the development of theology, and they must be able to address some of these difficult topics and questions. Particularly in North America, questions of sexuality are extremely important for the Roman Catholic Church, but also religion in general. That is not the full range of what the church is about, and I think it's an unfortunate thing in North America that it has been reduced to that, and reduced to an area where frequently there are conflicts between what individuals wish to do in their personal lives and what they view as the role of the church. And the university plays an important role in a democracy, and so the institution of Loyola Chicago serves not just the church, but the culture of the United States and really the world because of its location and its role. With that in mind, we have a lot of different kinds of people here. We have many people who are not Catholic, we have many people who are not Christian. We have persons who are divorced and remarried who are part of the community here. As a chaplain, I'm privy sometimes to people's private discussions. We have people living out their lives in a variety of ways in terms of their own sexuality, and that includes gay and lesbian people. Loyola Chicago has a strong tradition of embracing that diversity.
If homosexuals are allowed their civil rights, then so would prostitutes or thieves or anyone else.
There's an increasing tendency to view sexual behavior as simply a private matter, kind of like what sort of soda do you wish to drink or what kind of hamburger do you wish to eat, that it isn't reflective of one's identity. On one hand, this has reduced homophobia. I think that young people today are significantly less homophobic. The Catholic perspective is that our identities are shaped in many ways by our sexualities, and that those should be integrated. So I think that I think that it is a concern for young gay and lesbian people not to be more active and activist and really look at ways in which they are going to integrate their identities with their sexualities. In many ways, being open about one's sexuality with one's peers and one's family is one of the most political things one can do. It's mostly from peers that our students expressed where their attitudes about homosexuality changed and their homophobia was reduced, was from knowing gay and lesbian fellow students. But I think that lay professional ministers like myself bear an important witness to all lay Catholics, which is that all of us are called to ministry. All of us are called to serving the world in different ways and in different capacities.